guys, it's Amanda Campbell here from Bend Like Bamboo, and I'm stepping in again to say hi, welcome to the 1st of December, the start of summer, so it's pretty exciting. In November we explored concepts related to growth, and you know, we discovered that it can be difficult to grow and it can get us out of our comfort zone, and it can feel really uncomfortable, but there's also positive aspects to growth where you can be on a journey to reach your fullest potential, to learn all the lessons you need to along the way, which is, I guess, the purpose of growth. So in December we are going to explore a new theme that you can change your mind about what is possible and how to make over your life, getting ready for 2019. So when I was 24, I was diagnosed with multiple sclerosis, and at age 29, 5 years later, the entire left-hand side of my body became completely paralyzed from an attack. Now that was definitely one of the hardest, darkest times of my life, but what I learnt from everything becoming dark was what I was truly made of. Because, you know, it's only when things get dark in times of setbacks in your life that you can truly find your inner light. And that was my journey, is I really discovered what I was capable of when things got the most toughest that I could ever have imagined. And so there's some pretty remarkable lessons I learned on my journey of recovery, and I really want to share them with you. And it's called my Optimal Health Program, where I run through mindset and the importance of a flexible mindset, because it impacts everything that matters. Your body's ability to repair, how happy and resilient you are, and how connected you feel. And then an understanding of how the brain works and how to leverage wonderful processes like the reticular activation system, which is that filter system in the brain that allows you to notice resources around you according to what you're focusing on. There are ways that you can absolutely change your mind about what is possible for you, because when you transform your health, this also translates to all the other areas of your life. But you've got to start with you. You've got to start with you. So get ready for 2019 by polishing up your mindset and your body and your spirit, because once you find your joy and purpose in your life, I really believe that's where true healing occurs as well. So I have a whole course on this. You can either see me one-on-one at my private practice in Melbourne. Otherwise, we're now very excited this month to launch our interstate and international program, where you can enjoy video coaching via videos and workbooks. And I'm working really hard behind the scenes getting my online course ready for next year. And at the same time, I'm also writing my book, and it's nearly finished. I can't wait to get it out to you all, which will detail my entire journey of diagnosis, paralysis, my journey to recovery, and all the lessons I learned along the way, with core pillars about how I maximized my ability to repair my body. So I'm going to share all this information with you. So let's get focused on December. There's 2 blogs already up. My blogs are on amandacampbell.com.au, and from that website you will also find your way to bendlikebamboo.com, which is my private practice. So great to see you guys again. Don't forget, meditate daily, journal. This is all part of our ebooks as well that you can find online. And happy summer!